Hi to all. So I will present you two, two European projects. The first one is BIM-based, is BIM for a B, BIM-based toolkit for efficient renovation in building. And we'll look at some tool to help to renovation in the project. And in the first phases, we look at the requirements and the linked data and ontology. In the second phases of the project, we look at the new tools to help the renovation phases. And obviously, in the end, we look at the demonstration. One of these toolkit is the BIM management system. So we look at a new kind of CDE because when you're talking about the asset, normally you haven't the project information model, and so normally you haven't a common data, a project common data environment, and the commercial common data environment normally couldn't talk with the sensor, with the IoT, because thinking only to the project. And so we look at the new kind of CDE, and we think probably this is a digital twin more than the CDE we have in the commerce. And we look at, obviously, in a new kind of CDE, look at the semantic analytic data, to the new, to the different kind of database, not related databases, so to the graph database and the object database, and to the open API, because we need to talk with the ERP of the organization, with the CRM, with the product lifecycle management system. So we need to talk with all the system of the organization. The second project is DisyPlace. DisyPlace is a reference architecture framework for digital industrial platform in construction sector with a strategic roadmap to obtain it. And we, through the BIM and CDE, look at Atos talked before, to European common data space, and European common data space, we talked to the European Commission, we need in the construction, like the automotive, like the 5C, like the healthy, like the agriculture, and so on. So construction sector need a common data space. This is the map of the project, of our problems. And if you look at over there, there is a digital twin. So we start here and we have the problem to look at and arrive to the digital twin because the construction is too complex. But when we think about the digital twins, we focus inside the construction sector probably is not what normally we think. So is a technical model for the maintenance and for the renovation, but is something have to look at to the urban, so the GIS model, because we need to talk with the market and to the real estate. We need to talk to the planning for the future town and some of all the service like the transportation and so on. And in another way, we have to think not only a technical model, because yes, maintenance is really important, but you leave the building more than maintenance. And so I need a user model inside my phone, an easy model, because I need, where is the bathroom, where I could put my phone because I need energy, where is these rooms, and so on. So, and how I could use the model, the BIM model for the fire worker or for the Red Cross, because someone say help, and so how they could find in a building they don't know the rooms and so on, where they could go in quickly way and the best way. In the other way, we look at, we're talking about the platform, so we introduce not only the project CDE, but we need probably an asset CDE, manage all the project CDE, and the platform of the organization manage all the assets, because if I'm a Barcelona municipality, probably I have a lot of assets. And we have to don't forget, the best driver in our sector is obviously the 3D model and the geometry. And so which kind of problem we have in the model thinking to the life of the building in digital twin. And so, like you have a failure maintenance for the building or a planned maintenance of the building, probably we have the failure maintenance of the model and the planned maintenance of the model, because I have a FC model, is a static model, so I need to back to the beam authoring to make an updated, yes or not. We work with Akka to manage the geometry inside in IFC and change the geometry inside the FC and nothing back to the beam authoring software. And we have to decide not only for the failure maintenance or anytime I do some works, I need to change the model, but probably we have to think to the planned maintenance of the model. So I change the model in a time every 5 years, or I change the model only if the work are or if arrive or upper than €1 million, or because it's a quantity, I change not only 3 windows, but I change 100 windows, and so I need to change. So we have to think, because our best driver for information is obviously the geometry. We have to think when I need to maintain my 3D model, not anytime, because I need a man sitting there, but by timing, by money, by quantity, by weight of the change, and so on. I think I finished. Yes.